After Newland's law of octave, we have Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev explained that when elements are arranged in the order of their increasing atomic masses, the elements with the similar properties occurs at regular interval. Yes, this is the definition. So there are 7 periods. There are 7 periods, horizontal rows like this. Horizontal rows are known as periods, and 8 groups, vertical columns like this. Vertical columns are known as groups. Yes, so 7 periods and 8 group in the original periodic table of Mendeleev. So what are the merits of Mendeleev? Mendeleev's periodic law predicted the existence of some elements that had been discovered at that time. Mendeleev's periodic table predict that some elements at that time had not discovered yet. Yes, he left some spaces between the elements for the future elements. Yes, some spaces. The second point of the merit, it would predict the properties of several elements on the basis of their position in the periodic table. Yes, if the periodic table, the position of elements in the first group suppose that, then the properties of that elements are similar with all the elements present in the first group. If the position of the next one element, the future element, is in the second group, then the properties of the whole group are similar, as we know. So the property of that element is also similar to the properties of the second group elements. The third one merit of Mendeleev's periodic table, it could accommodate noble gases when they were discovered. Yes, 18th group is for noble gases now in the modern periodic table, but at that time Mendeleev's periodic table, in that periodic table Mendeleev accommodate if noble gases when discovered. Yes, some limitations are also here. The very first is the position of isotopes could not be explained. As we know very well, some isotopes are also here, like hydrogen has 3 isotopes, 1H1, 2H1 and 3H1. Protium, deuterium and tritium. So Mendeleev does not explain the position where we will place the different isotopes of elements. The second one, limitation, a correct position could not be assigned to hydrogen in the periodic table. Yes, hydrogen didn't get exact or correct position in the periodic table because the properties of hydrogen elements are also similar with the first group elements as well as with another halogens also. So the correct position could not be assigned to hydrogen in the Mendeleev's periodic table. The third limitation, wrong order of atomic mass of some elements could not be explained. Sometimes Mendeleev placed some elements according to their wrong atomic masses. Yes, generally he arranged the elements according to increasing atomic masses, but for some elements he arranged them according to wrong order, but did not explain why he is going to arrange them in this manner. Yes, so next one is, after Mendeleev's periodic table, modern periodic table is here. According to modern periodic table, the classification based on the atomic number. Now this is the important. In the modern periodic table, the classification is based on the atomic number, which relates the periodicity in the properties of the elements, and that totally depend upon the electronic configurations. Yes, we have done in the ninth class electronic configuration. So the first point here we have in the modern periodic table, the horizontal rows of the elements in a periodic table are called periods, and in the modern periodic table total 7 periods are there. Yes. The second point, the vertical columns in the periodic table are called groups, and there are total 18 groups in the long form of the periodic table. Today, at that present time, we are using this table, modern periodic table, which have 7 periods and 18 groups. The third point, we have all the elements in a group have similar electronic configurations and show similar properties. I repeat, whenever the elements are present in the same group, then they have similar electronic configurations and all the elements shows similar properties. Next is position of hydrogen. Actually, in modern periodic table, the position of hydrogen is also not fixed. Hydrogen is not placed in any group. There is no position in group for hydrogen element. It is treated as very special element and placed alone at the head of the periodic table. Elements having one valence electron are placed in the group 1. Yes, these are the important things to note. Elements having one valence electron are placed in the group 1. All the elements having two valence electron are placed in the group 2, and from here elements having 3 valence electron are placed in the group 13 and 4 in the 14, and if fifth valence electron then in 15, not in 3, 4 and 5, because group 3, 4, 5, 3 to 12, groups 3 to 12, all these are the transition elements. All these are the transition elements. So if one valence electrons are here, then they are placed in the group 1. If two valence electron, then group 2, and if 3, then in 13. Then 13, from here 13, then 14, 15, 16, 17 and then 18. 18 is your noble gases group. Okay.